Here nobody stop in the pedestrian cross. Yeah, so here they do the Tunisian Revolution. The ex-president Ben Ali left the country. It's the highest building in Tunis, I guess. Yeah, this street looks like the Champs-Élysées in Paris. Say it's in the memory of the ex-president. First time I see a person in Tunisia waiting for the green pedestrian light. I remember that we have a photo here 15 years ago. Oh, the tire is totally flat. But they give me fork, not a chipstick. I was expecting more traditional. Oh, I have a guest with me tonight. Hey guys, welcome back for another vlog video. We're still here in Tunis and I met with my friend Hamza for another vlog video in my channel. He invited me to go visit some places here in the downtown of Tunis. We will see what we will waiting for us. We are here in this street, Marsilia Street, but without the beach. Don't know, by the way, why they name it Marseille, with Marseille. Maybe it's from the colonization. They kept this name until now, until today. Now it's changed the name. Now it's 14th of January, no?
No.
Still Habib Bourguiba. The place is Habib Bourguiba is an ex-president of Tunisia, and the street is the 14th of January, the date of the revolution, Tunisian Revolution. Yeah, it's kind of crowded. Here nobody stop in the pedestrian cross. When you want, you just cross. Yeah, so here they do the Tunisian Revolution. The Arab Spring was here. It started from here, 14th of July. The ex-president Ben Ali left the country because it was a big strike in this avenue. Everyone was screaming for freedom, for more liberty, freedom of speech, freedom of press, and all that. So the president just left the country, and now it's democracy in this country. And here we have the Africa. It's the highest building in Tunis, I guess. Yeah, this street looks like the Champs-Élysées in Paris. There is some similarities with those trees, but they are not as big as the one in Paris. And with this light, they even have this Christmas light there. Let's go closer to film it. Yeah, here we have the Christmas illumination. You can hear the sound of the birds. We are so excited today. Don't know if it's always like that or only today. Yeah, a lot of noise of the birds. Yeah, so beautiful. So beautiful, this street. Also, it's clean. Now we will see this statue of the ex-president. What is written here? Say it's in the memory of the ex-president Habib Bourguiba, and there we can read its name, Habib Bourguiba. And there we have the clock. The street is Habib Bourguiba and the place is 14th of January. Okay, we need to cross. We wait green or no?
Wait.
First time I see a person in Tunisia waiting for the green pedestrian light. Everyone is crossing in the red. No one respects. But even in Paris, sometimes you cross in the red. It's normal when it's not that crowded. We are in front of the clock. It's very beautiful, this clock. I remember that we have a photo here 20 years ago, 15 years ago. I will put it in the video, and let's take another selfie. Yeah, it's always cool to see your childhood friend. It's always cool. When I come to Tunisia, I always come to see my friend Hamza. It's really cool. And also we did so many pictures in this place. A lot of memory for me. We will try some street food. We'll try some Tunisian street food here. It's really cool. Hamza know all the best address, but here you don't have place for pedestrian. You walk near the cars. So stressful. What we will eat? Not here. You know, better place.
Yes.
Here they are good restaurant or no?
I don't know, maybe.
Maybe good, maybe not good. If you know good address, put it in the comment section, guys. Maybe we'll try it next time. But for tonight, we don't want to take a risk. We will just follow Hamza. Oh, we are moving to the next place, and Hamza told me that the girl smiled for me there, but I didn't notice that. Yeah, Tunisians like to smile. We don't have luck. Oh, the tire is totally flat. Don't know what we will do. We will change the tire. Yeah, finally we get the new tire. We will change it. It's very hard to open this cover. Don't know, each time they do something more complicated in those cars. Yeah, finally we went to this mechanic. We'll ask him to change the tire, and we have a very cute cat, really cute. Okay, we just fixed the tire. Now we are going to Sidi Bou Said, to this restaurant. I don't know which specialty. An Asian restaurant, so we will see what we can find. Curry. We will go for this Nui Hawaiian. To arrive, it looks very tasty. But they give me fork, not a chipstick. Is it good?
Very good.
Looks very tasty.
Try it.
I will try mine first. I took this Hawaiian noodle with the chicken and the ananas. Try it. So good, the sauce. I will try yours. Yours. Let's try the one of Hamza. So good. The spicy chicken is so good. We received the dessert. Looks very tasty. Let's eat it. Ah, mascarpone. Let's eat it. So strong. We finished the dessert. It was so good. I'm really full. And now maybe we will move to coffee or to drink something. So we went to this coffee shop. It looked very fancy for a Tunisian coffee shop. I was expecting more traditional, like a Parisian coffee. Enter in the coffee and we will take a shisha. Oh, it's a cat. Looks very cute. I will bring another seat. Oh, I have a guest with me tonight. Hi. I don't know if she's vaccinated or no. I don't want to take the risk to touch her, but she looked really cute. Say hi to the camera. Watching the game, it's the Africa Cup, and we are in Sacré-Cœur. Even here we see France, Montmartre, Sacré-Cœur. Yeah, since we are in Tunisia, let's try this Tunisian tea. Actually, it's not Tunisian tea. It's just with bag, like the one that you can get in Paris. Honestly, this coffee is like you are in Paris. Any traditional stuff from Tunisia here. Even the name is Sacré-Cœur, like in Paris. It's good. It's really good.